We've only killed 2, right? No, we've killed
No, we've killed 2.
3. We've killed 3.
We killed 3?
'Cause I killed. Dude, this guard literally has a flashlight too.
What the heck? Was he wearing
Yeah, I
shoes?
know.
Wait, is he wearing shoes?
Yo,
Bro, is he wearing shoes?
Yo, no, he's wearing boots.
Yo.
It says this website's not secure, but I don't think it's a big deal.
I mean, it seems pretty. They said they were, so.
I mean, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I trust.
legit.
Yeah, I trust anybody that sends me a free iPhone 17.
I'm extremely. I'll kill anybody for money, even if it's just like a dime. Doesn't matter. A dime a dozen.
A dime for a dozen people.
I'd do it. If I kill a few thousand, I'd probably make like $20. What in the
We are
freaking heck?
literally, we are the
I'm gonna kill
best,
this guy.
the best
I'm
thieves.
not-
Oh, I found an artifact. Looks like a crusty Kermit the Frog, but we're taking it.
Yo, Kermit the Frog, you got a little bit of extra crust on you, don't ya? I mean, I'm no murderer, but $20, just $20. I'm on the roof.
Oh, totally just psyched out this camera, bro. I got an artifact. I got an artifact. Someone saw something and went, ugh.
It is what it is.
They saw it. They were like, preposterous.
That is, I believe say preposterous. Literally spawning me as I speak.
Oh wow, that guy, that guy was. He came down the stairs, and I was like,
Alright, I'm throwing the bags.
"Don't
Alright.
throw them, because the guards in the corner."
I know.
I don't know why that voice, for some reason, enrages me. Oh. Okay, you need to throw it not there.
I know. My bad. My bad, bro.
Camera over there.
Bro, go secure the bags. What are you doing? I can literally throw them while you're setting them myself. I'm just gonna try and risk this bag. I don't feel like throwing them to you anymore. Oh no. He saw it. My bad.
There is a police officer outside the door.
Police officer outside door, no?
There is police officer policing. He is. He do be policing.
Not gonna lie, police officer do be policing. For
Not
real
gonna
though,
lie.
what he be guarding?
I love Coca-Cola. God, I love Coca-Cola. Bro, they got the Coca-Cola flavored fun dip.
Assyrian.
Stand by for drop.
Stand by for drop.
I love the way he's like dwop. He like literally spells like D-R-W-O-P-P. Dwop. It's literally impossible to find
It
unless
is
you know.
literally hard to see it unless you see it.
Bro, like you literally can't even see it unless you look at it.
Stand by for drop.
Like for the dwop.
Stand by for drop. Just saying. Just stand by. There's a drop. Stand by.
No, I almost got caught. I tried not to, but I almost did.
Maybe if I stand in the way.
Nope. He almost spotted me.
Hmm.
Don't have anywhere to put this body.
Guard.
I mean, he'll move.
I don't have anywhere to put this body. I'm carrying someone's dead body. Take the body. No, don't take the body. I don't think. I think I have a few other things upgraded down here. Did you break the? could really just go on some sort of a rampage any day now, and nobody would be able to stop me.
Too far.
Vienna sausage.
I don't know which one to do.
I guess we should do the auction.
Okay.
And make money.
Oh, that's the bathroom.